Similar triangles show up constantly on the SAT. They look harmless until you mix up which side matches which side. If you learn one skill today, make it this. Match corresponding parts before you set up any proportion. Two triangles are similar when they have the same shape. That means matching angles are equal and matching sides scale by one positive factor. There are three classic ways to justify similarity. Angle, side, and side. Angle is the SAT workhorse. If two angles match, the third angle is forced to match too, so the triangles are similar. Side similarity compares two sides around one equal, included angle, with the same ratio between triangles. Side similarity means all three pairs of corresponding sides have the same ratio. One's triangles are similar. You can write a chain of equal ratios between corresponding sides. That is your algebra engine. Easy level first. Suppose small triangle sides are 3, 4, and 5, and a similar large triangle has shortest side 6. Match shortest to shortest, the scale factor is 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Multiply every small side by 2, you get 6, 8, and 10. The picture should feel like a zoom, not a reshaping. Medium level. Imagine two similar triangles sharing the same letter order, A, B, C, and D, E, F.
Suppose AB is 4, DE is 10, and BC is 6. You want EF.
Write matching sides as a proportion. A B corresponds to DE and BC corresponds to EF. Substitute numbers. 4 over 10 equals 6 over EF. Cross multiply carefully. 4 times EF equals 60, so EF equals 15. Always ask whether your answer is longer or shorter than the matching side. On the SAT, parallel lines often create similar triangles by copying angles along a transversal. If a line cuts a triangle parallel to its base, the small top triangle is similar to the whole triangle. Hard classic. A person and a flagpole cast shadows under the same sun rays. You get two similar right triangles. Picture a 6-foot person with an 8-foot shadow and a shadow of 30 feet for the pole. The sun angle matches, so triangles are similar. Match height to shadow within each triangle. Person height over person shadow equals pole height over pole shadow. Simplify 6/8 to 3/4. Multiply both sides by 30. The pole height is 22.5 feet. Common mistake. You pair a leg from one triangle with the hypotenuse from the other. Similarity is not about left versus right on the page. It is about matching angles and the sides opposite those angles. If the diagram is crowded, redraw the smaller triangle alone and label vertices in the same order as the big triangle. It's a tip. Before you cross multiply, redraw the smaller triangle separately so you can see correspondence at a glance. Then write one proportion that only uses matching sides. That single discipline prevents most similarity errors under time pressure. Recap: similarity means equal angles and proportional sides. Use AA when you can. Set up ratios with corresponding sides only, then cross multiply. On shadow problems, align height with shadow inside each triangle. Practice more on NovaMaths.